Hi guys, Marcus here. So I just wanted to show you how you can actually remotely enable the Watson TJBot and use Node.red for orchestration. So one of the things I found it might be easier to use Node.red than always go onto the Pi to make code changes. So that makes it easy to mash up different services in Bluemix and then put TJBot to work. So here's a list of a couple scenarios I'm going to publish. So we're going to start out with connecting TJBot to the Watson IoT platform and control very simply the LED and the Arm via Node.red. So here is what this has looked like. We have TJBot and the controller program, which basically sends updates to the Watson IoT platform, which we can receive in Node.red. And vice versa, we can send commands down to change the LED or move the arm. For now, later on we can also have him talk and so forth. So here's what we need for this. We need the Bluemix account, we need the IoT starter app, and obviously a TJBot or a Raspberry Pi with the TJI libraries. And we need a controller program which you can download from my GitHub. So here in the picture, just to give you an idea what we have. So this here is basically the TJBot without the case, and then we have the TJBot with the case. I added a temperature sensor, which we're going to talk in the following sessions about the wiring and how this works. Okay, so let me show you the setup real quick. So I just went to the IoT also Bluemix Internet Catalog in the Bluemix catalog and used the Internet Platform Starter Kit, which comes with the platform and Node.red. And in the platform, I registered TJBot. You see him here, he's sending data. And in Node.red, then we have this flow, which you can download from my GitHub as well. So how does this work? So here's my little program running. So basically what this is, you just run npm install. It will install all the libraries, and it's basically an enhancement from some of the stuff the TJBot team did. So that's all we have to do, and again, it's going to be in the GitHub. So for now, I'm just going to start this program, and what's going to happen is TJBot should wave his arm. So we saw that here, and the light goes on, so we know we're connected. And so what happens here is I get status messages of the status of the arm. The arm is raised, the LED is on, and then I get some temperature information from my temperature sensor. So what we can do now here, and we see them coming in every 5 seconds. So what we can do now is I can switch the LED off. What happens then here is my little controller program receives a command and then uses the TJI library to change that. Let's switch this off. Okay. So we can now set the LED to red. Not sure if you see this, but and I can set to blue, obviously, and to green, and so forth. So we can also like send the arm backwards, onwards, and we can also do a little wave. So pretty straightforward. So we go back to the PowerPoint. That's what I did. In addition to this little to the Node.red, once you have the information in Node.red, we obviously can, do a lot of stuff there. And what I thought would be nice if we create a little user interface here. So you can just add this to your Node.red instance, and then you basically, and a nice thing, it works also on the mobile phone. So you see we have the light is green at the moment, so if I change this to red, in 5 seconds we get an update, and a light's red. And then we can do the same with the arm here. We can move the arm backwards, and we get the temperature readings, and we can switch the light off. We can switch the light back on, and we can do a wave. There's a lot of stuff, and you see these messages here on your Node.js program. Okay, so that's the first video. I'm going to put the code up in GitHub, and again, here are the references. I'm going to post them also under the video. And the next video is going to be about, so now we can control the arm and the LED. So the next one is going to be adding the speech to text, meaning that we're going to take the information which he listens, TJ listens to, and send that up to Node.red, and we're going to then send commands back down and also let him speak. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Ciao.